only aspired for. So this is going to be a game changer. This is going
to the launch of Ingersoll Rand's Trane brand of home comfort and security solutions. As you will learn from our speakers, today is a momentous day that will redefine concepts of comfort and safety with the launch of state-of-the-art technology products from Trane Residential Solutions.
a very special day for us in our organization because we are planning to launch something new which possibly none of you in this room have experienced it before. Even before I kind of talk about what we are going to do, let me give you a brief background for a variety of industries and a variety of markets. Then we have a business which we define as security. And as you kind of keep seeing in emerging economies like India, where there is growth in population, to planning to listen to what we are going to do in the forthcoming years to come, the kind of innovations what we are going to bring about, and really kind of understand where our organization is moving in terms of innovation and technologies.
And if you look at, is that impacting his lifestyle? So what we are going to come out with as we move forward in, by next year is a platinum.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together as we present to you Trane state-of-the-art home comfort and security solutions. Ladies and gentlemen, please see that a picture will help.
Products which also give them the comfort that they are doing something good, they are not wasting energy, just that feeling good about it. So we believe that